Hello, my name is Maya Gossi, and welcome to my portfolio for English 2210. Okay, this is my home page, and I have an About Me section right below my header. Under my home page, I have two subpages that you can access. The first one is a reflective memo, and the second one is a SLO Memorandum. As for my projects, I designated a page for each project and a subpage of the student learning outcomes specific to the project. Okay, if we click on project number 1, we open a page that has a header specific to what the project is. So this project is an instructional video. Then we have 3 subpages for the SLOs for this particular project. Each subpage will have a reflection regarding how my project has helped me develop new skills. For project 3, I have organizational design, written communication, and lastly, visual communication. Now if we go ahead and click on project number 2. So project number 2 is a blog, and the SLOs for that project is project analysis, content development, and project planning. Then for project number 3 is a proposal, so I have that written down for the header. And the SLOs is the same as project number 2, so I have it the same way. So project analysis, content development, and project planning. As for my home page, I will be adding more to it throughout the semester. I'm still trying to figure out how to add a border and make it more aesthetically pleasing. But overall, this is just my portfolio.